Hi, my name is Aruna Lee from Volcano Kimchi. Hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make Napa Cabbage Kimchi. First I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use. Green onion and green mustard from Heirloom Organic, and red bell pepper, and we're gonna use yellow onion, and ginger, garlic, and dry shiitake mushroom from Far West Fungi. And also I add this kelp to my kimchi that gives umami flavor, and this beautiful French gray sea salt and chili powder. First I'm going to show you how to chop and brine Napa cabbage. And first you put this head down and hold firmly and cut through 1/3 and use your hand. And we're gonna cut quarter and do the same way, and remove the core and save these. And I always make a vegetable broth with these. And the smaller one you can just add and cut just 1 inch size. Now we're gonna do brining using, just sprinkle a little bit of salt using your senses, and lightly toss. And you're gonna leave this a few hours. Last night I brined, so I brined overnight, and then I can make in the morning. So once you add the salt and massage a little bit and put heavy weight on and leave it for weather like this, maybe 3-4 hours, 5-6 hours. And I'm gonna show you the brined cabbage that I brined last night. You see how I put this rock and it submerged into the juice. So I'm gonna put it right here. And the cabbage that properly brined, when you see like this, when you bend, it doesn't break. And I didn't add any water, but it makes this much juice. Now we're gonna make a kimchi sauce while your cabbage is brining. So first, let's cut green onion. You remove the roots, and then also save and use for your vegetable stock, and diagonally just slice. Okay. So this one we don't have to brine, green onion and also this red mustard. Just I'm gonna chop and add it into cabbage later. And this is daikon radish. You can just thinly slice whatever size shape you want, or you can use a blender to shred your radishes too. So first we're gonna use half of the onion that goes into a blender, and about 5 cloves of garlic, and just a little bit of ginger. You don't want to add too much ginger, otherwise it gives a little bitter flavor. Add a little bit of apple too. You don't have to, but you can use apple or pear, whatever in season you can add. And then we're gonna blend in a food processor. puree, just a little bit of coarse, it's okay. Actually, it's better to add red bell pepper a little later so you don't blend too much. So let's add half of the red bell pepper in the food processor, and it's a nice color too. So this is sliced radish. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt since we didn't brine, and then add a little bit of chili powder to color, so this radish absorbs all this beautiful chili color. And I'm going to add my brined cabbage. It's beautiful. So now we're gonna do same as a radish. Add a little bit of chili powder. How beautiful. You don't have to use too much chili powder. But it all depends, like how spicy you want, how red you want. Also, when chili is in season, you can add all different kind of chili pepper. It doesn't have to be. This is dried serrano powder, but you can use local pepper. Adding 3-4 different pepper is fine too. So now I'm gonna mix with the radish and add green onion and mustard, and now we can add this kimchi sauce. Put all into. Then I'm gonna add this kelp and a little bit of shiitake mushroom powder, and then mix it and nicely massage. Look, at first it didn't look like red, but when the cabbage and radish absorb the chili, oof, so spicy. Oh, I'm crying. And it creates really beautiful color. It's a lot going on here. Let's taste. Kimchi you can eat as like a salad, but it's nice if you ferment in room temperature for 2 days, and then you keep in the refrigerator. I'm going to taste right now and see. Really delicious. You have to put into a jar now. Let me see. I want to rinse my hand with a little bit of leftover brine juice. And then rinse this too, so you don't waste anything. Once you're done making kimchi, you want to store in a mason jar or any containers. Glass container would be good. And then you need this. And, you want to pack through, and you don't want to make any gap, air gap. So let's press down all the way and leave a room, maybe about an inch. This is good. So you want to add a little rock or something weight, so you press down all the ingredients and submerge into the juice. and you close, and we made this beautiful jar of kimchi today. Leave it somewhere dark or in your pantry, and see tomorrow. If it has too much gas, you can just release a little bit and leave it for 2 days, and then keep in the refrigerator. It will last for many months. Hope you all enjoyed and make a batch of a delicious kimchi. And see you all at farmers market.